Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be making a quick Mother's Day giveaway using two TeckWrap vinyls from the 001M series. These vinyls are permanent and durable with a glossy finish, and it also has 24 color options that you can choose from. For this project, I'm using the colors Sweet Pink and Livable Green. I'll also be using these two white keychain alcohol spray bottle and of course the TeckWrapCraft weeding tools and squeegee. So let's begin by uploading the design onto the design space and resize the design according to the measurement of the spray bottles. Here you can see that I'm playing with the height and width of the design until I'm happy with the way it looks. Then I'm going to duplicate it since I'm cutting two of these in two different color vinyls. I'm grouping the two and will prepare the design for cutting. So now I'm using the cutting mat ruler to place the designs on the same spot that I will be placing my vinyl. Here you can see that I'm using the vinyl setting on my Cricut machine to cut this design. Now back to my actual cutting mat, I already cut these two pieces of vinyl into the same size that I need. And now I'm placing them on the same spot as my designs. When removing the protective layer, I usually use a tape to press the film on top and easily peel it off from the vinyl. Then let's load this mat into the machine. Now my designs are done cutting, I'm slowly removing the unwanted vinyls, and I'm using my tweezers and weeding pen to help me get the vinyl out. Now that I'm done weeding, I'll remove my design into the mat. I'm using these spray bottles with a silicone cover, and I'll be removing the covers first before I apply the vinyl to the bottle surface. Now I'm placing my transfer tape into my design, and I'll use the squeegee to burnish it. Then I'm slowly removing the transfer tape. And now I'm placing the design on my spray bottle carefully, and I'll be using the squeegee to burnish it. Remove the transfer tape, and I'll be doing this again to the other spray bottle using the same transfer tape. And the project is done. I'll just need to put the silicone cover back to the bottles. So this quick and easy project is a nice Mother's Day giveaway to super moms you care about. It is easy and super cheap to make, and not to mention that it's also very useful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next one. Bye!